So let's take a video while walking. And we're here at Bridges Street. Ayan. Ang YMCA Christian Academy.
Water online. Like a big box.
There. So this is the YMCA. We empower students to ignite bright futures of abundance and fulfillment. Ayan. May old building dito. So this is also YMCA. The old building of Bridges Street since 1918. And this is China Christian Church. Ayan. May Christian church din ang China. So here. Tsaka cute din ng makulay din ang building na ito. This lane. Ayan, pababa. There. Pero walang ano to. Oh, it's Women's Welfare Club Western District. Ayan. So it's Women's Welfare. Terrace. And this is a old boys school yata ito. Ayan. TWGH Anita Moy Day Care Center for the Elderly. Lakad-lakad lang. So this is the stretch of Bridges Street. Okay.